Hi everyone, I am Alamayo. Today we'll cover some basic GIS concepts. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, is a computer system capable of capturing, assembling, manipulating, analyzing, and displaying a geographically referenced information system. Most of the challenges we face in our planet these days, in one shape or form or the other, have some sort of geographic or spatial dimension. GIS provides insights into data and helps to make informed decisions, whether citing a new business, or finding the best soil for a growing banana, or figuring out the best route for an emergency vehicle. GIS can help us make smart decisions. GIS provides you with the power to create maps, integrate information, visualize scenarios, solve complicated problems, present powerful ideas, and develop effective solutions. What are the questions that a GIS can answer? For example, it can provide answers to location-based information, such as where's the nearest bus station? Where's the closest supermarket? Where is the nearest gas station? GIS also can answer questions about pattern. What is the flow of traffic along this highway? Or what is the spatial distribution of crime in San Francisco? Also, GIS can answer questions about trend. For example, where have glaciers retreated in the European Alps? GIS answers questions about conditions. Where can I find a hotel that's within 1 kilometer of recreational parks and also accessible by public transportation? Finally, GIS can answer questions about implications. For example, if I move to a new house, how far will I be from my office? What are the components of a GIS? An operational GIS has a series of components that combine to make the system work well. These components include hardware, software, data, people, and applications or methods. Hardware is the computer system on which a GIS operates. And a software provides the functions and tools needed to store, analyze, and display geographic information. There are methods or approaches or applications. A successful GIS operates according to a well-designed implementation plan, which are unique to each organization. And a procedural applications may include data input, data management, query analysis, and data output. GIS also involves with people. GIS technology is of limited value without people who manage the system and design plans to solve real-world spatial problems. GIS users range from end users to technical specialists who use GIS in everyday work. Some of the GIS positions or GIS job positions can include data entry, data quality, GIS analyst, developer or GIS programmer, or a database manager, web developer, project manager, and GIS manager, and then etc. These are some of the job positions that a GIS person is employed or offered. And also the other main part is data. Data is another main component of a GIS system. Data perhaps is the most important component of a GIS. A GIS can integrate spatial and non-spatial or attribute data. And some of the data types in a GIS include maps and layers. It also includes vector and raster data. And also TN and a 3D data, text, and metadata. So these are all the data types that you encounter in a GIS or Geographic Information System. And there are other data storage formats, multiple ways. For example, a 3D, a table, a raster format, a vector format, or maps and layers. And the three vector data types include points, lines, and polygons. Points are just an XY coordinate, whereas lines are a list of XY coordinates, a connection of different XY coordinates or points. And a polygon is a list of lines that form a closed area or just a collection of connected lines. Many disciplines can benefit from a GIS technology. This includes healthcare, education, business, urban planning, utility, environmental science, military, political science, and real estate.